Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can add reviews to your Google Sites website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link, on the L-Site link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Now, when you want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, it's really up to you. And when you got it, let's click login. Now, when you're going to click login, you're going to be here in applications. In applications, you just want to write in search reviews. And you can simply add TripAdvisor, BBB, Yelp, House, Etsy, eBay, Google, Amazon, hotels, Airbnb, Facebook, Captura. You can add like whatever reviews you want, actually. So many of them. So like, I don't know, I'm going to choose the Etsy reviews, right? And it's always the same. You just add here the URL. Then you change the layout if you want to. We don't want to have the title. Then review. Let's just delete the review source here. Then what we want to do is just simply also change the content here. Some filters. Let's show only 4, and let's just click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have more than 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go to basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And all you want to do is just simply emp the code, and just press next and insert. And then I will just move it to the middle. And this is how you can add whatever rating you want, actually. In Facebook, Google, it doesn't matter. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.